Look at this. A forgotten piece of history from the 1950s, left to rot in the shadows. It's covered in layers of rust and decay, but today, we're going to bring it back to life. The first step is the most delicate, stripping it down. Every screw is stubborn, and every part tells a story of decades of neglect. We have to be careful not to break what's left. As we open it up, the damage is worse than I thought. The interior is choked with dust and corrosion. It's hard to believe this was once a prized possession. Now, the battle against the rust begins. We're using a powerful chemical bath to eat away the oxidation, revealing the bare metal hidden beneath the surface. With the surface prepped, we apply the primer. This is the foundation, the shield that will protect this vintage beauty for the next 50 years. Here comes the magic. We're going with a classic 1950s two-tone, a vibrant red and a clean cream white. Suddenly, the personality of this bus starts to shine through. It's all in the details. From polishing the tiny chrome bumpers to restoring the windows, every small piece matters in a masterpiece like this. The final puzzle. We're carefully reassembling all the parts. It's like watching a time machine come together right before our eyes. And there she is. From an abandoned piece of junk to a stunning museum-quality model, the 1950s are back in style. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. A true transformation. What do you think of the final result?